we are going to see is Harlow, that is the capital of Curaçao. Willemstad, we can see here also our natural, our Queen Emma Bridge, natural harbor. The Fort Amsterdam is the official residential of our governor representing King Willem Alexander here on the island. So in the United States they have the White House, we have the yellow one, that is this one. Okay? Because the governor represents King Willem Alexander as the head of the country. And on the left-hand side,
What is that? That's nice.
so our Queen Emma Bridge open more than 20 times. It is orange, it open for just 5 to 10 minutes, and if it is the navy blue, then it open totally. That the bridge is going to open because a big ship is entering, a cruise ship is entering. Okay, so here you can see all the colorated building because the Dutch, when they took this island over from the Spaniards that arrived here in 1499, so the Dutch started to build in Punta side. They call it La Punta, the point, the most important point, because they started to establish that and develop first Punta. Then when they built the two forts on the corner that I mentioned you, River Fort and Water Fort, they started to give permission to build here in Otrobanda. And Otrobanda means the other side of Punta, Station and City. So that is the 6 islands that in 1954 we became part of the Dutch Kingdom. And the Netherlands until it was born. So the cardamom, the sugar is called sugar came from Colombia. They imported the lagapios, that is what we have, the orange peel I showed you. They put it to dry, only the peel, not the fruit we are using, and the cloves. The rest of the recipe I'm not sure. How I know it is 4 colors. This clear one was the first that they started with this distillery. It was clear, and one day there was the bottle, and behind there was a pool. What you see? Blue. So then they were starting with the food colors. They said, okay, they can make a blue, a nice blue. So that's why they started to make the blue Curaçao. That is the most famous one. But it is not only the blue colors, because they have more food colors. So then they make all different. So in one word, all they taste the same. But there's only the food color.
The pool was just here in September. I mean, February. This is crazy. It was really nice. I don't know why they did that. They decided to close it down. Hey y'all, I'm coming to you live from the port of Curaçao, and it's a little after 7 p.m. and it's really rare that we find ourselves in a port past 6 p.m. But we are not scheduled to depart tonight until 9 p.m. The plan was to go out and check out some of the festivities here in the evening. I know they're going to be doing fireworks, so they are doing fireworks in certain areas. They're still celebrating the new year. And my daughter has since changed her mind. So with that being said, I'm going to get changed out of this day outfit and put on something for the evening. I'm going to go hit the buffet. Yeah, I said the buffet. And y'all know I'm not a buffet girl. However, I must say that I've hit the buffet more times than I can count on this particular voyage due to the fact that there are more options and the food tends to be pretty good. I would say not every night in the dining room was bad. Christmas Eve was good. New Year's Eve was good. And one or two other nights. But for the most part, we've been hitting a buffet mainly because the service in the main dining room takes forever, like around 2 hours. It's ridiculous. All right, y'all. Well, with that being said, I'm about to change out these clothes and go hit this buffet and then catch a couple shows. And then, you know what I do. I'm gonna hit that casino. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Until next time.
Gotta go get away, hop a train, hop a flight, and ride tonight. I got